Now to all my viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to measure live cattle weight using this tape measure. And these are the procedures on how to do it. First of all, let me first illustrate here. We shall measure the girth. Girth, this is just the diameter behind the elbow. And then we measure the length. Length is the just here from the point of the shoulders to the point of the pin bone. Some people will call it buttocks, but buttocks, because of the community standards and restriction, let us call the pin bone. Then, when we have the diameter of the chest or the cartilages, then we shall have, let me illustrate it here very well for you to understand. We shall have the girth noted and then the length noted. To get our live weight, we shall have girth squared times length over 300, and make sure it is measured in inches. This will be girth times girth times length over 300. Let me explain to viewers again for them to understand well what girth is or what it is all about. And before we proceed, make sure the calculation is in the respective units of given animals. We measure pigs, we measure buffaloes, but now we are measuring cattle. For cattle, it is different. As I've told you before, inches from point of shoulder to point of pin bone, that is length. And then girth is the diameter just behind the point of the elbow. Let's go and do it practically. Show them the tape how it looks like. And for those who are interested, you can inbox me. And I'm gonna show you how you'll get it. This is how it looks like.